Welcome to the best seat in the house, Austin, Texas. Visit Austin. We're here at Ranger Cattle cooking up the 24 Diner Burger. What makes it so special? Incredible ingredients. We got some vegetables, some jalapenos we're gonna grill up and throw on that burger, some brioche buns, salt, pepper, and the best Wagyu you can get. 8 ounces of fresh ground Wagyu from here at Ranger Cattle in East Austin. Be sure to season both sides of your hamburgers. You don't want it half seasoned. You gotta season both sides. Salt and pepper. Right onto cast iron. At 24, we do our burgers on a flat top. When they cook a hamburger on a flat top, it cooks in its own juices and its own fat. The reason we use Wagyu is because it has a very high fat content and the fat is delicious. You don't want to waste the fat, let it cook with the burger. As soon as you see blood start to come up on top of the burger, you're gonna flip it. Once the blood comes up, flip it over. Nice sear on both sides. Another important part of a hamburger is the ratio of bun to meat. You don't want too much bun or not enough meat. Here we have a 4-inch brioche bun, and that's going with this 8-ounce Wagyu patty. We're gonna toast the bun up gently in the same fat that we cooked the vegetables in.